What's up, guys? I own a 2011 F150 SVT Raptor, and for the past 6 months or so, a rattling noise inside the steering wheel has been annoying the hell out of me. So the reason I'm doing this video is because I did not find anything on YouTube, but luckily I did find something on the F150 forums. So kudos to guys over there, man. They're the best. So before we begin, I must remind you, you have to remove the negative terminal on the battery because we are touching the airbag and we don't want it to open it up on us. So safety is number one. Remember that. So let's begin. You're going to grab a 964 Allen key and you're going to go to the side of the steering wheel. You see a hole here? You're going to insert your Allen key just like that. And you have another one here. Insert it just like that, and then you have another one. Just let me see if I can. Sorry about that. Right here. So my suggestion: you start with the top two, and as you insert the Allen key, you'll see that the horn button will start popping out. Mine is already out, so. And start with the top first, and then do the bottom one. So, the button's already out. So, what are you going to do is this. You're going to lift it up gently and put it right on top of the steering column. Just like that. There we go. Excellent. So, the rattling noise. Let me show you. Hear that? It's coming from this bushing and this cable. If I lift the cable up just gently away, see, it's gone. And if I bring it back, it's back. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna grab some Gorilla Tape, which is extremely sticky stuff, highly recommend, or use the trusty old electric tape. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna put your tape right here between the frame and this bushing. See? So you're gonna cover the bushing with tape. Oh, hold on one second. All right, should look something like this. You see the tape is right on top of this bushing. Now, even bringing the cable close, the rattling sound is gone. See? A simple fix, yet deadly. So after you're done, you're gonna gently put back the horn, just like that. Just 1 second. Open up the beer, guys. Have a great night.